Hi guys, welcome back. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to draw road profile using my program and also calculate the quantities. Here in this Excel sheet, in the design tab, you have to put the first station, elevation and blank for this of the length curvature, and in each variable of the length curvature you're gonna have to drop the elevation for each change. You have to type the length of curvature, and at the end you have to leave it blank as in the first. Okay, and in this is for the profile. This is a vertical scale, maximum elevation, minimum elevation, and datum level. And in the NGL tab you have to put station and its elevation for each change, okay, randomly. Okay, and in the volume tab, this is the magic gonna happen. First I'm gonna clear all the data here, okay, and and I'm gonna type here the change at the interval of each station. So if I typed like 50, okay, so I'm gonna hit fill, and as you see the interval each 50 meter, okay, until the end, and also the calculation of the fill and cut volumes here. And as you see here, the total is fill, assuming the road width 55 meter. Okay, so as you see here, the NGL elevation and the design elevation, this is for each change in the station. So regardless what we put here in the NGL, as you see, NGL is not as the same change in the stations as here in the volume tab. And also for the design only we put the length of curvature and the elevation for each change only for the design level. So after we finished, I'm gonna show you how to draw the profile in the AutoCAD. I'm gonna close this tab. Okay, I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna type here RDPRO. I'm gonna hit enter. As you see, Excel popped up, and we have to wait to draw all the stations here. The stations is at 50 meter interval, so you have to wait. And as you see, it's finished. And here, as you see, the station every 50 meter, and here the datum and the interval each 1 meter. When we multiply by 10, it's gonna be 10. Okay, and here this is the NGL, and this is the curvature PVI station, and this is the length of curvature. And I'm gonna return back to my Excel file, hit the design tab. I'm gonna draw the arc here. I'm gonna type it here. As you see that the arc has been driven here, and back I'm gonna hit the lines. I'm gonna draw the lines here, and as you see, this is a design profile, and this is a design, and this is NGL. And as you see here, the length of curvature, all the data have been manipulated correctly. And if we want to check for the volumes, and if we're gonna make quick check for the volumes, here at this station there is cut here in station 3200 here, and as you see here, the difference is 1.08. Here I'm gonna see this is because it multiplied by 10, so the difference is the same. And as you see, this is cut and this is the quantity for cut, and for each and every station there is cut and there is fill. Fill is highlighted by green and cut is highlighted by yellow. And as you see, this is the final net volume. And if we want to clear all the data here, let's make a quick check. And if we want to make a quick check for the levels, here I'm gonna type here LVL, pick point. I'm gonna pick point here at station 0, and to see what is the level for NGL, I'm gonna hit this one, station 0, and the elevation is 413.775. Here 413.775, the same. And for the design, here 414.587, 414.587, exactly the same. And if we want to check at any point, it will be the same. Let's check for the end, for the NGL here, and type the end. This one is 380.02, and for the design here 387.865, exactly the same. And here is the volumes, and thank you for watching.